This roast tomato and red pepper soup is perfect for winter. Let's show you how we make it. So to start off with, we're going to roast our tomatoes and red peppers. This allows us to add more flavour to our soup. So in a large roasting pan, you're going to add a mix of cherry tomatoes, vine tomatoes and red pepper. We're then going to add some olive oil and season this with some salt and pepper, along with some mixed herbs, and to add a hint of spice, some paprika. This combination makes the best roasted tomato and red pepper soup. If you like this recipe and want more recipes like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Once you've added all your seasoning, give it a quick mix, and then you want to bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. Once it's done, it's going to look something like this. Those pieces that are slightly charred are great for adding lots of flavour to our soup. We're then going to add it into a blender and blend till it's nice and smooth. You may need to blend it in 2 batches, and once it's nice and smooth, you're going to add it to a pan and warm it up. To make it the right consistency, we're also going to add some vegetable stock. We've dissolved 1 stock cube in 200 ml of boiling water. Add that in and give it a mix. Depending on the consistency that you like your soup, you can add more or less stock. To make sure that this soup is seasoned well and has the perfect balance of spices, we're going to add some more salt, pepper and paprika. We're also going to add some more flavour to this soup by adding some basil. Once you've added that in, give it a good mix and leave it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow that basil to infuse into the soup. This roasted tomato and red pepper soup is so easy to make and comes together so quickly. It's packed full of flavour and is guaranteed to impress. Don't forget to enjoy this with some sourdough.